हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम रुचिका फ्रॉम सक्सेस सीरीज एजुकेशन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लेटेस्ट जीके और करंट अफेयर्स का क्विज देखेंगे, जहां पर हम 1 to 7 दिसंबर 2020 के करंट अफेयर्स कवर करेंगे। We have compiled the current affairs in a free PDF also, and you can download that free PDF from the description box below this video. And before starting this quiz, I have a request that please hit on the bell icon so that you get notifications regarding the next upload on our channel, and also follow Success Series on social media platforms. We are available on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, so you can follow us for interesting stuff and trivia related to GK and current affairs. Now we start with our quiz, and question number 1 is, on which platform will the data of health workers from all over the country be uploaded for the COVID-19 vaccination drive? Option A, Covaxin. Option B, Covin. Option C, Covid. Option D, Covaxin. Answer to this is option B, Covin. Covin app stands for COVID-19 Vaccination Intelligence Network. It is developed by the central government and is a part of the vaccine rollout plan. Every detail regarding procurement, distribution, storage, schedule will be found on this app. The database for healthcare workers will help in prioritizing them for getting vaccine shots. Question number 2. Which state will get an eco-bridge for the first time to save reptiles and small animals from road accidents? Options are Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Bihar, and the answer is Uttarakhand. The Ramnagar Forest Division has built an eco-bridge across Kaladhungi-Nainital Highway. The bridge is 90 feet long and 5 feet wide and made with eco-friendly items such as rope, grass and bamboo. Now we move to question number 3. Which state is to bring laws for transparency in marriage by revealing information such as income and religion? Option A, Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Assam. Option C, Punjab. Option D, Tamil Nadu. The answer is Assam. Assam's Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma revealed this information and also stated that this will help both bride and groom not to hide anything before marriage. This decision has come after the love jihad issue. Now we see question number 4. When is the World AIDS Day observed in December? Option A, December 1, December 3, December 2 or December 4. The answer to this is December 1. This day is observed to spread awareness about acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, also known as AIDS. The theme for this year was Ending the HIV/AIDS Epidemic, Resilience and Impact. Recently, World Health Organization has informed that the HIV epidemic may accelerate due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Question number 5. Which state government has passed one-time power bill settlement scheme? Options are Tamil Nadu, Goa, West Bengal, Assam. Answer is Goa. According to the Chief Minister of Goa, Pramod Sawant, this bill will ensure the priority of the needy and common man. Under this bill, the payment of the electricity bill can be done in easy installments. This decision has been taken after this year's situation, as electricity bill payment has been held for a long period. A waiver has also been provided for late payment fees for those people to pay the bill at one time or by installments within a period. Question number 6. Which company has delivered the biggest cryogenic propellant tank to ISRO? Option A, Hindustan Aeronautics. Option B, Bharat Dynamics. Option C, Aeron Aviation Services. Option D, BrahMos Aerospace. Answer is Hindustan Aeronautics. Cryogenic propellant tank or C-32LH2 is a development tank which is made of aluminium alloy. It has been designed for improving the payload capacity of GSLV Mk3 launching vehicle. The tank is 4 meters in diameter with 8 meters of length and 89 cubic meters of volume. It can load 5,755 kg of propellant and is leak proof. Question number 7. What is the name of India's first environment-friendly super-grade fuel? Option A, 100 octane premium petrol. Option B, 100 octane premium diesel. Option C, 50 octane premium kerosene. Option D, 100 mid-grade petrol. Answer is 100 octane premium petrol. This fuel will prove to be a step ahead for ease of living for Indian citizens. India has joined other nations in the League of Super Grade Fuel. It will be marketed under XP100 and will be made available in 10 cities in India. Question number 8. Which cricketer has broken Sachin Tendulkar's record of being the fastest cricketer to score 12,000 ODI runs? Option A Shikhar Dhawan, option B Virat Kohli, option C MS Dhoni, option D Rohit Sharma. इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन बी विराट कोहली. He achieved this milestone on December 2 during the ODI match between India and Australia at Canberra. He got out at 63 runs and was playing his 251st ODI. Question number 9. Which country has the first nation to approve the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine for usage against the pandemic? Options are USA, Mexico, UK, France. Answer is UK. MHRA or Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency has approved the vaccine which is 95% effective in giving protection against the coronavirus vaccine. The vaccine is safe for rollout from next week and those in high priority groups will be the first to get the immunization. Question number 10. Which Prime Minister out of the following is expected to be the chief guest at India's Republic Day 2021 celebration? Justin Trudeau, Boris Johnson, Jacinda Ardern, Scott Morrison. Answer is Boris Johnson. Both the countries' PMs shared a phone call where they discussed many issues such as the COVID-19 pandemic and climate change. They also showed commitment to work together post-COVID-19 and post-Brexit era. The invitation was extended during the same phone call. Question number 11. The owner of the famous Indian spices brand MDH passed away on December 3 at the age of 98. Who was he? Option A Mahashay Dharampal Gulati, option B Mahendrapal Gulati, option C Mahashay Dharampal, option D Mahapal Dharampal. Answer is Mahashay Dharampal Gulati. He was fondly called Dadaji or Mahashayji. He has started a shop called Mashiyan Di Hatti or MDH at Karol Bagh, Delhi. He had also received Padma Bhushan by Indian President Ramnath Kovind in the year 2019. He was admitted to the hospital in Delhi and suffered a cardiac arrest on the morning of December 3. Question number 12. Which state government has passed a gaming amendment bill to ban online games? Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka or Kerala? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly has passed the bill through voice vote. The decision was made after the students in the state started committing suicide after getting into debt by playing online games. The penalty for the first offence will be a fine of Rs 5,000. It can be also imprisonment up to 1 year. It can extend to 2 years and 10,000 fine. Every offence will be cognizable and non-bailable. Question number 13. Which state government has launched a program Duare Sarkar to bring government services to the doorstep of people? Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal or Assam? Answer is West Bengal. 11 state government schemes will be run under this program such as Kanya Shri, Khadya Sathi, Shiksha Shri, Rupa Shri, Jai Johar, Taposili Bandhu, Akshay Shri and MGNREGS. The words Duare Sarkar means government at your doorstep. The program will continue till January 31. Question number 14. Which nation has signed Memorandum of Understanding with India to enhance cooperation on intellectual property examination and protection? Option A UK, option B USA, option C China, option D Japan. इसका आंसर है USA. MOU has been signed for the next 10 years during a virtual meeting. It will help strengthen the IP system in both nations, which will urge innovation and growth. US PTO and Indian Commerce Ministry Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade have signed the agreement on December 2. Which nation has passed the High Skilled Immigrants Act to support Indian nationals that are stuck in green card midpoint? USA, UK, Germany or UAE? Answer is USA. US Senate has passed the bill that aims to provide huge relief to Indian nationals for doing away restrictions on employment-based green cards. The bill also aims to increase the per-country cap on family-based immigrant visas to 15%. There are over 8 lakh Indians who are waiting in line for an employment-based green card. Question number 16. How much repo rate has been decided by RBI in the bi-monthly monetary policy review statement? 4%, 4.2%, 4.5%, 3.4%. The answer is 4%. Monetary Policy Committee reviewed the current macroeconomics and financial development, voted unanimously to keep the repo rate at 4% unchanged. They also decided to continue the accommodation stance of monetary policy. The reverse repo rate is still unchanged at 3.35%, while the marginal standing facility and bank rate will also remain unchanged at 4.25%. Which private bank has been directed to stop selling credit cards by RBI? Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, IDBI Bank. Answer is HDFC Bank. RBI has asked the private bank to stop the digital launch of business generating activities planned under Digital 2.0. This decision has been taken after several customers faced outages from the past 2 years in internet and mobile banking and payment utilities. They have also been blamed for technical glitches where customers were unable to pay their credit card bill on time. Who has been named as the President of Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry for 2020-21? Uday Shankar, Narayan Murthy, Mukesh Ambani, Sangeeta Reddy. Answer is Uday Shankar. He is the first ever media executive to take over the post of president to lead the FICCI. Uday Shankar is currently serving as Walt Disney Company Asia Pacific President and Chairman of Star India and Walt Disney Company India. He leads Disney's direct-to-customer business in more than 30 countries. He will take over the position from December 31. Question number 19. Which northeastern state will get national highway of 26.25 km worth 4127 crore rupees? Option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Option B, Nagaland. Option C, Assam. Option D, Manipur. The answer is Nagaland. This national highway will consist of 266 km in which the Kohima-Mao Road, whose foundation has already been laid, will be a part of the Asian Highway which will connect the state to Myanmar. The project was inaugurated by Union Minister of Road and Transport Nitin Gadkari. The Chief Minister of Nagaland, Nefi Rio, was also present during the virtual inauguration. Question number 20. Which first pharmaceutical company has applied to DGCI for seeking approval for emergency use of vaccine for COVID-19 in India? Options are Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca, Serum Institute of India. Answer is Pfizer. In the application given to the Drugs Controller General of India, they have asked to import the vaccine for sale and distribution in India. The approval will be given only if they are satisfied with the clinical trials. However, PM Modi has informed that the vaccine will be ready in India in a few weeks. Question number 21. Which country has declared a climate emergency and has pledged to make its public sector carbon neutral by the year 2025? USA, Australia, New Zealand or Spain? The answer is New Zealand. The emergency has been declared based on climate change findings in the Intergovernmental Panel. It was stated that to avoid the 1.5 degrees Celsius rise in global warming, the carbon emission needs to be cut by 45% by 2023 and needs to reach zero by 2025. Question number 22. What is the reason behind the ongoing farmers' protest across the nation? Option A, Goods and Services Tax. Option B, COVID-19 vaccination. Option C, Economic Downfall. Option D, Farm Reform Bill. Answer is Farm Reform Bill. The farmers are protesting against the 3 farm reform bills: Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Bill, Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill, and Essential Commodities Amendment Bill. They want the Union government to withdraw the bills or guarantee minimum support price for their crops through the new law. Question number 23. When will PM Modi lay the foundation stone of the new Parliament building? December 7, December 10, December 9, December 15. Answer is December 10. The ceremony will be attended by all the party representatives either physically or virtually. The announcement was made during a media briefing by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. The new Parliament building will be 17,000 square meter, which will be bigger than the old building. The construction cost is 971 crore rupees. Who has recently won the title of Miss Asia Global 2019? Samiksha Singh, Sara Jamnovic, Nguyen Thi Yen Trang or Sara Gurpal? Answer is Sara Jamnovic. The event was organized at Gokulam Convention Center, Kochi, Kerala. Sara is from Serbia, who won the title, while Nguyen Thi Yen Trang from Vietnam was awarded the title of Miss Asia. The Miss Asia Global 2020 will be held in Malaysia. Question 25. Which satellite imaging startup has signed an agreement with InSpace to launch India's first private remote sensing satellite? Option A, Pixel. Option B, Satpalda. Option C, Planet Labs. Option D, Traxon. Answer is Pixel. It is one of its new kind agreement that has been signed with New Space India Limited, Department of Space, under the Indian National Space Promotion Authorization Centre. It will build the satellite on ISRO's PSLV rocket in early 2021. This satellite will provide global coverage 24 hours and will help in solving environmental and agricultural issues. And with this, we come to an end of this session of Current Affairs quiz. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and also share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel for more such videos. With this is Ruchika signing off. Till we meet next, take care and goodbye.